don't know, but this it keeps moving. Like it's not secured. I'm putting it down and it keeps, you see, like. So I can learn how to love. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Minami, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time on my channel, do well to sit down, click on the subscribe button to join the family. It's just one click and it means so much to me, so do well to subscribe for more amazing videos. We'll only bring bomb ass tutorials on this channel, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this 18-inch ring light. This is what it looks like, which I got from Amazon. So if you like to see and know everything, like the price, the details, if it works, how long it took and everything, then just. So this ring light comes in a box like this. Like I said, it's 18 inches. It cost 85 pounds. So I'm going to try to convert it to US dollars and to CFR, and I'm going to write it on the screen, so you're going to see it on the screen down below. Presently I'm filming using natural light. Any other, you're going to choose if you want, like here in the UK we use Royal Mail, so you will choose if you want the Royal Mail service or whatever service you like, and how rapid you like to pay for it, and how rapid you like to receive it would depend how much you're going to pay for it. But during this Christmas season, some others you were able to have the option of having free delivery depending on the amount you get the stuff for. So this ring light costs 85 pounds. It comes in the box like this. It's well protected, so big, the Amazon logo, and yeah, it feels really secured. So it has like the address and everything. I'll just quickly open up this first carton so we see what's inside, get into the details and everything. So after opening this first box right here, so as you can see, this is the bigger box from outside. Oh, it's so heavy. So then you meet the next carton, which has the ring light, of course. Then I think this wrap were just kept in there to like protect the ring light in case of the movement during the delivery and all that, so it doesn't break. So I'm just going to keep this carton away. Then yeah, the real deal. Ooh. So on this other carton is written fragile, handle with care, all the like the different plucking options and stuff, the different countries what they use, a picture of the ring light, and yeah. So it's an 18-inch ring light, like I said, made in China. Then it has the code, you have the representation address, the email, the manufacturer, blah blah blah, and everything. Yeah, so that's good job, Amazon. You really secured this ring light. There was no way this thing was going to break or anything. So yeah, taking it out, you still have this plastic shield and still protecting. Oh, I didn't want to destroy that. Ask me what I want to do with it. I don't know. I always feel like I could always like recycle stuff, use it for other things. But yeah, the excitement won't let me. After I have this bag, if you're a makeup artist, this bag comes in so handy to transport your ring light when you're traveling or going to meet clients and all that. So this is really nice. And this is adjustable. I hope, yeah, it is adjustable. You can actually make it longer, and then it has this other handle like this. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, now wait, I don't understand what's happening here. The ring light I have back in Cameroon is detachable, yes, but it has like four. This is divided into 4 portions, and it's actually, you can actually remove and fit in each portion. I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying, but I think that's the old model. Maybe this is the new one, even though I wanted the other one better, because that way you can mix up the light, like put white, then the orange and all that. But yeah, and I think in the picture, yeah, so this one comes like this. I think that's a new way they do it. It just comes the orange or the white. Let me see if this white is, yeah, it's detachable. So yeah, so it has this 2 stuff like this. So basically when you put this one, it's going to be just white, then this can be just orange. But if you know what I was trying to explain, the former models used to come kind of separated like this, so that you could mix it up with like the orange, the white, the orange, the white, and that's better, especially if you have to take makeup pictures and stuff. So this is the light. Aside that, it feels really light, it's not that heavy. So we're going to be trying that in a bit to see how the light works, if it works, and all that. What else do we have in here? It also comes with a booklet like this. I don't know if you can see this right. So yeah, and it gives like instructions how to use the book and all that. I'm going to how to use the light, sorry. And it has this. It has like the charger, the Bluetooth remote. I hope that's focused. So it has this thingy, another connector. Yeah. So I guess I have this because this the type of connectors we use in the UK. So and it also has this like a phone handle. Oh, this is nice. It comes with so many accessories. So yeah, and now the back is empty. And then the tripod. This is what the tripod looks like. It means they are really flexible. It was like this, but then you just have to. So it comes like this. Then you just like this, just push downwards, and then it becomes like this. Now you can try to tie it here, just like you're screwing, to make it firm so that it doesn't move anymore. And then the tripod is also adjustable, like to adjust the length. Oh, you can't even see it. Let me put this down so you can adjust the length. I don't really think this tripod is strong enough, like really strong, as compared to what I have or what I had. This one is kind of lighter, like it could break. So yeah, I don't know, but this keeps moving, like it's not secured. I'm putting it down and it keeps, you see, like I just hope I don't have to refund it, because I really need a ring light right now. Why does it have to be moving?
Moving on, I'm just going to be connecting the light to the tripod. I finally tried to make the tripod a bit secure. The light is very flexible. It has this little thing which you can turn, for the light to rotate. You can actually make it to face downwards and all that. It rotates 180. So I'm just going to attach the power supply or the adapter to the switch such that the light can come on. I'm going to remove the small white protecting stuff on the cable, and then I'm going to connect it. There's a small portion underneath where you can just turn, almost like a radio, like you wanted to tune a radio or something. So you're just going to turn it, and then the light is going to come on. And you can always regulate the light, like you can make it intense, you can reduce the intensity and all that. So I'm going to be trying the white and then the orange side, and I'm also going to be testing the light, like how the light can light up the room on its own. So I'm just going to switch off the lights now, and so we can try. So you can judge for yourself, and let's see how that works. So that's it. The light works pretty well. Aside from the tripod is not so strong, but the light works really well. As regards to the detachable part, I searched on Amazon, and you can actually buy the other ones separately, and that's a good find because it shows that if any part of your ring light gets bad, you can just buy another part instead of buying a complete new light. So as you saw, I used the booklet to try to indicate, to show me how I could attach the phone holder. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you love this review, and leave it up.